This is part 2 of my Louis Vuitton Fall Winter 2025 collection unboxing. So let's get into it. Hi friends, welcome to my channel. If you're new, welcome back if you're a returning subscriber. My name's Jonathan. I make luxury videos, unboxings, and reviews. And this is part 2 of unboxing some things that I got from the Fall Winter 2025 collection. So let's get into it. So let's be real, it wouldn't be me if I didn't pick up these items. And if you know me, you know what I picked up. Subtle hint, I didn't pick up one, but I picked up two. So box number 1, let's go ahead and open her up. So this is the dust bag that it came with, and the pocket organizer that I got was the Friendship one. And it is in this Damier Ebene canvas, and it features Pharrell Williams and Nigo on the very front, as well as says Louis Vuitton Paris. And what I loved about this was the interior. Oh my gosh. I love how it has like this little vintage looking Louis Vuitton pattern here, and it says Louis Vuitton Paris as well. And then it does have the stamping of the Fall Winter 2025 collection. It does say Louis Vuitton Paris, made in Spain. And it does have the back pocket, which is my personal favorite. Absolutely love this. This is the product code. It is currently still available on the Louis Vuitton website, so if you're interested, I would highly suggest going now. In box number 2, let's just get right into it. And this one was probably one of my favorites. It is this very cool looking one with the multiple canvases. So you have the monogram canvas, you have some reverse monogram canvas, you have the Damier Ebene canvas, and then you have this other little maroon red looking canvas. And this one unfortunately does not have the back pocket, but features this cool chocolate brown interior. I wish they kind of did something similar to the other pocket organizer, but missed opportunity there. And this is the stamping, again, Fall Winter 2025, and it is made in France. Super cute. And this is the product code and textile code, and as well, this one is also available on the Louis Vuitton website if you are interested. And before I forget, both of these pocket organizers were 645 Canadian dollars plus tax each. And here's what they both look like side by side. Here's the front, the back, the inside of the first one, and the inside of the second one. Honestly, I'm torn. I have no idea which one's my favorite. And this officially marks number 38 and 39 of my Louis Vuitton pocket organizers. Thank you so much for watching. I really do hope you enjoyed today's video. If you like this kind of content and or want to see more of me, definitely hit that like and subscribe button. But until then, I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.